In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of PayPal not sending a verification code. We understand how frustrating it can be when you need to verify your account, but the code just won't come through. Don't worry though, we've got a straightforward solution for you. Follow these steps closely and you'll have your account verified in no time. Let's start by navigating to PayPal's main website. Simply open your preferred internet browser and type in the URL or search for PayPal on a search engine. This will direct you to PayPal's homepage where you'll have access to all their services. Once you're there, you're going to want to locate the option that says Login. You'll usually find this button prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Make sure you enter your details accurately. If you're having trouble with remembering your login information, consider using a password manager to securely keep track of everything. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see an option on your account dashboard that allows you to manage your security settings. This is where you can request that crucial verification code. Now, the first option to try is to choose Get a Text. This option will send the verification code directly to your registered mobile number via SMS. Make sure that your phone has a stable signal and double check that the number is correct, as network issues or a wrong number may prevent it from coming through. In case you're still not receiving the text, PayPal also provides an alternative method. You can opt to get a WhatsApp text. This method works best for those who prefer using WhatsApp for communication. To use this option, ensure that you have an active WhatsApp account on your mobile device linked to the same phone number you use for your PayPal account. This way, the verification code can be sent to your WhatsApp chats, providing you with a backup method if there's a delay in receiving the SMS. Remember, patience is key when dealing with verification processes. Both methods should resolve the issue of retrieving your code, allowing you to continue using PayPal securely and without interruption. Just be sure that your contact details on PayPal are always up to date to avoid future hiccups like this. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to ensure you receive your PayPal verification code without a hitch. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, make sure to reach out to PayPal's customer support for personalized help. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy banking!